Do you sometimes find yourself in a situation where you know that you're using the right vocabulary and grammar in English, but people still don't seem to understand you? It's incredibly frustrating and can make you feel under real pressure when you're speaking in English. Our new Pronunciation Power online course has 3 clear learning objectives to build your confidence speaking English. Learning Objective 1 is to start using the International Phonetic Alphabet to build both your confidence but also your competence, your ability in English pronunciation. Learning Objective number 2 is to understand the basic qualities of the 44 phonemes in Standard British English. And Learning Objective number 3 is to recognise the importance of syllables and stressed syllables. Understanding and practicing the sounds of English will help you feel more confident, and it'll help you be more effective when you're using English for work, for study, or for socialising. Take a look at the Pronunciation Power course today to see how you can improve your skills and your confidence using English.